Oh my gosh, look at all the pelicans are just shooting down there. Look at that. Must be a lot of fish.
Wow, this is too much. Dude's got a smorgasbord right here.
Look at this. Can those little fish get anything?
It must be spawning and have eggs or something that's these little birds are after. Millions of them.
I know. That's what I'm telling you. The way
Look at that, look at that. La, la, yeah.
Oh my gosh. Look at the pelicans. Oh, they're having dinner.